How to preserve green onions for 1 year. No spoilage, no freezer needed. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Have you ever been like me? In the morning, you just want to take a few green onions for your fried eggs, but when you open the refrigerator, you see the whole bunch is wilted, soggy, and smells bad. But then, a chef with 17 years of experience in a 5-star restaurant showed me an extremely simple but surprisingly effective secret to keep green onions crispy, fragrant, green for up to a year. And today, I will share with you these easy-to-do tips. The great thing is, no fancy refrigerator, no preservatives, just a few familiar things in the kitchen are enough. Since applying it, I have never had to throw away a bunch of green onions. Let's start right away. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. First, prepare a large bowl of water. Add 1 tablespoon baking soda. Stir until dissolved. Then add green onions. Soak for about 7 to 10 minutes. Green onions sold in the market are often sprayed with chemicals to make them look green. Eating too much can cause nausea or even diarrhea. Soaking them in baking soda will help wash them away and remove most of the remaining chemicals. After soaking, gently rinse each stem. Scallions are often sprayed with a fungicide called Bordeaux mixture. If they are sprayed heavily, you may see dark green spots on the leaves with the naked eye. Change the water and rinse 1 to 2 more times to ensure cleanliness. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then, when clean, remove the green onions and place them in a basket to drain completely. You can use a paper towel to absorb excess water. Drying is important because moisture will cause onions to spoil quickly. Then, prepare the glass jar. Mix 1 teaspoon of salt into 200 milliliters of water. Add the spring onions with the roots removed. Place the bowl of onions in a cool place or in the refrigerator. Note: only submerge the roots. Do not submerge the stems as they can easily become waterlogged. Change the salt water every 12 to 24 hours. Storage: 3 to 5 days. Method 2. Pick and wash the green onions. Then remove and drain. Chop green onions depending on the purpose of use. Put the onions in a clean bowl. Put in a mixing bowl with 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Scoop onion and oil mixture into each ice cube tray. Place the tray in the freezer to freeze. Once frozen, you can take the onion balls and put them in a zip bag to save space. Note: suitable for stir-frying, frying because it has oil. This way, it can be preserved for 3 to 4 months. Method 3. Cut off the base of the green onion, leaving about 2 to 5 centimeters of roots. Prepare a clean glass jar, cup, or plastic bottle, as long as it can hold water. Put the onion roots in the jar. Then pour water so that it only covers the roots, not touching the stem to avoid rotting. Place the jar in a place with natural light, such as a window or balcony. After about 20 days, the onion will grow tall and green, and you can cut it for later use. This way, green onions can grow back many times from the same root, both convenient and sustainable. Method 4. Get a clean plastic bottle. If you have a lot of onions, you can use a larger bottle. Cut the top of the bottle about 5 to 7 centimeters from the mouth. Pour enough water to cover the onion roots, avoiding letting the water touch the leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar will help the roots grow strong and keep the onions fresh for a long time. Gather the onions into neat bundles. Put them in the bottle like flowers in a vase. Place the bottle in a cool place with soft light. Avoid direct sunlight because it can cause the leaves to wilt or turn yellow. Change the water every 3 to 4 days to avoid odors and bacteria. If the water is cloudy, change it immediately. This method helps the onions always drink water. The leaves stay green and crispy for a long time. Method 5. Wash and dry the green onions. Cut into serving sizes. Then put the chopped onions in a glass jar, food storage container, or zip-top bag. Gently add them, avoiding bruising them. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Squeeze out all the air. If you have a vacuum cleaner, suck out all the air before sealing the bag. Here, I use a straw to squeeze out the air, seal the bag a little, leaving a small gap for the straw to enter, and use my mouth to suck all the air out. Flatten the bag so the onions don't stick together in large clumps. Put in the freezer to keep longer. Many people fear that freezing will make onions lose their flavor, but this method actually retains most of their flavor and freshness. Frozen onions will retain their moisture and will remain green and fragrant. Note: only take out the amount needed and put it directly into the pot when cooking. Do not defrost first because it will soften the onions and reduce the flavor. Method 6. Pick up dead leaves and damaged stems. Wash the green onions. Let it drain thoroughly. Can be dried in the fan for a few minutes. Finely chop green onions, 1 to 2 centimeters, or leave whole short stalks depending on usage. Boil the mixture, vinegar plus water, ratio 2 parts vinegar to 1 part water. Add half a teaspoon salt and half teaspoon sugar. Bring to a boil and let cool to room temperature. Put the drained green onions in a glass jar. Pour the cooled vinegar solution over the onions. Cover the glass jar tightly. Place the jar in the refrigerator or in a cool place, away from sunlight. Can be kept for 1 to 2 months. Pickled onions will have a light aroma and sour taste, suitable as a spice for salads, pickles, or served with grilled food. Do not use a wet or greasy spoon to pick up onions in the jar. They will spoil quickly. If you see bubbles, strange smell, or cloudy water, you should discard it. You can add a few slices of garlic or chili to enhance the flavor. So, I have shared 6 simple ways to preserve green onions, saving you time, money, and effort. Whether you keep them in the fridge, wrap them in paper, replant them in water, or freeze them, each method has its own advantages and will help you always have green onions ready for any dish. How do you usually preserve green onions? Is there any other way? Share in the comments. I would love to learn more from you. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to the channel so I can bring you more great tips. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.